Welcome to Unveiling Tokyo's Historical Tapestry, Key Meiji Restoration Sites. In this video, we will journey through the heart of Tokyo, exploring significant landmarks that played a pivotal role during the transformative Meiji Restoration period. From the serene Meiji Shrine to the bustling Ginza district, we'll visit iconic sites that reflect the rich history, culture, and advancements of Japan during this critical era. Join us as we uncover the stories and significance behind each location, providing you with a unique glimpse into Japan's remarkable past. 1. Meiji Shrine, Meiji Jingu. Nestled in the heart of Tokyo, the Meiji Shrine is a serene escape from the bustling metropolis that surrounds it. This spiritual haven is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, who were instrumental figures during the Meiji Restoration. The shrine is not just a religious site but a testament to the era's cultural shifts. As you walk through its towering torii gates and lush forested paths, you can feel the tranquil power of nature, which the Meiji era sought to harmonize with Japan's rapid modernization. The shrine is an emblem of respect and gratitude, built by the people of Japan in honor of their revered leaders. 2. Imperial Palace, Kokyo. The Imperial Palace, home to Japan's royal family, stands as a symbol of continuity amidst change. Located on the former site of Edo Castle, it embodies both the old and new Japan. The Meiji Restoration saw the emperor's power restored, and this palace became a focal point of the new government. Visitors can explore the East Gardens, which are open to the public and reflect the intricate beauty of Japanese landscaping. The palace itself is a blend of traditional Japanese architecture and modern influences, echoing the duality of the Meiji era's transformation. 3. Yasukuni Shrine. Yasukuni Shrine is a place of immense historical significance and controversy. It was established to honor those who sacrificed their lives for Japan, including during the Meiji Restoration. The shrine serves as a reminder of the turbulent times that shaped modern Japan. Despite the controversies surrounding its role in history, Yasukuni Shrine offers insight into Japan's complex relationship with its past. The museum on its grounds provides visitors with a deeper understanding of the nation's military history and the sacrifices made during pivotal periods like the Meiji Restoration. 4. National Museum of Nature and Science, Kokuritsu Kagaku Hakubutsukan. For those interested in the scientific and technological advancements of the Meiji era, the National Museum of Nature and Science is a must-visit. Located in Ueno Park, it showcases the progress Japan made in understanding the natural world and embracing modern science. The museum's exhibits highlight the era's innovations and the global exchanges that influenced Japan's modernization. From ancient fossils to cutting-edge technology, the museum tells the story of a nation eager to learn and adapt during the Meiji Restoration. 5. Tsukiji and Ginza districts. The Tsukiji and Ginza districts offer a fascinating glimpse into the economic transformation that occurred during the Meiji era. Tsukiji, known for its bustling fish market, represents the trade and commerce boom that characterized the period. Meanwhile, Ginza stands as a symbol of Western influence, with its chic boutiques and modern architecture. Walking through these districts, one can witness the blend of traditional Japanese culture and Western modernity that defined the Meiji Restoration. These areas highlight how Tokyo evolved into a global metropolis, balancing its rich history with a drive for progress. 6. University of Tokyo, Tokyo Daigaku. The University of Tokyo, established during the Meiji era, is a beacon of academic excellence and innovation. It played a crucial role in shaping Japan's intellectual landscape and fostering the new leaders of a modern nation. As one of the most prestigious institutions in Japan, it embodies the Meiji Restoration's emphasis on education and enlightenment. The university's historic buildings and lush campus provide a glimpse into the era's commitment to knowledge and progress. Visiting this esteemed institution offers a deeper understanding of how education fueled Japan's rapid transformation. 7. Kanda Myojin Shrine. Kanda Myojin Shrine, with its vibrant red structures and lively festivals, is a cultural treasure that dates back over 1,000 years. During the Meiji Restoration, it became a symbol of Tokyo's resilience and enduring spirit. The shrine is dedicated to 3 deities, including Daikokaten, the god of commerce and prosperity, reflecting the economic aspirations of the era. Kanda Myojin is also a popular site for tech enthusiasts seeking blessings for their gadgets, bridging the gap between ancient traditions and modern innovations. This shrine encapsulates the harmonious coexistence of history and progress that defines Tokyo. 8. Edo Tokyo Museum. The Edo Tokyo Museum offers a comprehensive journey through Tokyo's transformation from the Edo period to the modern era. Its exhibits vividly depict the social, cultural, and technological changes that occurred during the Meiji Restoration. The museum's life-sized replicas and interactive displays bring the past to life, allowing visitors to experience Tokyo's evolution firsthand. As you explore the museum, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the city's resilience and adaptability in the face of rapid change. It's a captivating exploration of how the Meiji Restoration set the stage for Tokyo's emergence as a global powerhouse.